Hi, I'm Kirsten Block. I'm the Associate Director of Research and Graduate Programs for the American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy. Last month, I had the pleasure of organizing a session at our annual meeting for approximately 2,700 folks, and we had Robbie Samuels join us for a session on effective, inclusive, and strategic networking. I really enjoyed the session. It was a perfect setup to what happened to be our welcome reception immediately afterwards. It was the end of an otherwise long day for our attendees, but the feedback that I've received for many of the 300 individuals who attended that specific session has been overwhelmingly positive. The time flew by. Everybody indicated that Robbie was energetic, he was interesting, the tips that he provided were really practical, and I even witnessed them implementing a lot of those tips right away at the welcome reception. There was so much energy in the room, and this is coming from the perspective of somebody who has organized similar sessions and participated in this meeting over several years, and there was an energy that I had never really felt before at the welcome reception. I think a lot of that has to do with how energized and appreciative the students in particular were of learning this information and trying to apply it right away as they began to network throughout the conference.